I love this exercise to increase the range of motion in your shoulders, and it's great for posture. So go ahead and roll down, lay on a foam roller. Make sure your head is on, and actually the foam roller is right up the spine. Knees are open and relaxed. You're going to push those fingertips down into the floor and down towards the feet. Do not overarch the back. And if you watch my rib cage is not expanding. And I'm going to push my hands into the ground, and I'm going to roll them around. You can do one arm at a time, and that way you can measure whether or not both arms have the same range of motion. And then you're going to come up, compress, and down and push. Just by pushing down, you're going to increase your range of motion. Give me a couple of more. Really push down, but don't let the rib cage go. As my arms go up, my rib cage compresses. Last one, push it down. We're going to come all the way up, and you are done. Shoulder mobility on the foam roller.